Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating power and memory issues. Remove the back cover and test or replace the AAA cells. A weak battery causes erratic display and keys. Once done, perform the model-specific soft reset, Shift +9/+3 on many Casio units, to clear transient errors while keeping settings. Make sure to inspect contacts and the keypad for corrosion or trapped debris. Cleaning with 90% isopropyl alcohol restores conductivity and prevents sticky keys. Next, diagnose visual and connection faults. You should open the chassis carefully and check the LCD for missing segments or hairline cracks. A loose ribbon cable often causes blank or half displays. Once inside, reseat the display ribbon into its ZIF connector and lock it. This often fixes intermittent visuals. Also inspect solder joints on the mainboard if you see hairline fractures or cold joints. Reflowing with a fine-tip soldering iron can restore continuity, but proceed only if you are comfortable. Finally, reassemble and run a full function test. Arithmetic operations, memory recalls, mode toggles, and graphing routines if present. If issues persist, perform a full factory reset to remove firmware corruption, or consider replacing the keypad membrane or LCD module as a next step. Make sure to document error messages and the simple tests you ran. This information speeds professional repair. If you still see faults after component replacement, seek a repair service rather than attempting major board-level fixes yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.